also not. I cut them. Today, as you saw in the title, I'm gonna be making my meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And do you want something? Say hi. Okay, bye. I was saying, I'm gonna be making my breakfast, lunch, and dinner inspired by the content that I watch on TikTok. It's kind of weird because I don't know if it's like TikTok inspired. It's not like TikTok created, because my breakfast is gonna be the Hailey Bieber Erewhon smoothie. And so though somebody on TikTok didn't necessarily make it, I guess it blew up on TikTok. So TikTok viral recipes. I feel like there's like 10 ingredients, but I only have 5. And that's because, tell me why the Whole Foods by my house has $28 sea moss. And well, for one, it's $28, but number 2, it was in powder form, and I knew I was never gonna probably eat it again unless making the smoothie. So I was like, okay, I don't need sea moss. And then there was also collagen in this recipe, and I was like, I think I'm pretty okay with the collagen, so I don't really want to spend money on collagen. And I also didn't get coconut milk because I've identified I don't really like earthy toned foods. Oops. I don't like almond milk, but then I really wouldn't be making the Hailey Bieber smoothie, so I just bought it. Vanilla flavored. I think I need more liquid. How do you? Moment of truth. What the heck? You guys, I've tried the Hailey Bieber smoothie at Erewhon, and this one tastes so much better. Put it right there. My heart. Lulu. And while I drink this, not sure if you guys saw this, but I want to make some yogurt strawberry barks to enjoy later. So, the lady on TikTok said to put this in the freezer for an hour, so that is what I'm gonna do. My dad was too hungry, so he couldn't wait for my salmon. I'm going to make the Emily Mariko salmon bowl, but this too, I'm gonna make it a little different because she uses like frozen salmon that she defrosts with the ice cube and like day-old rice, but I have to make a new batch of rice in my pressure cooker. And I have fresh salmon that I'm gonna air fry right now. This is the rice water from the rice I washed, and now I'm gonna water my plant.
I just wanna feel and twisted love. Catch us on my 745. You drive me crazy, shorty. I need to see you and feel you next to me now. I provide everything you need, and I like to smile. I don't wanna see you cry. Got some questions that I gotta ask, and
oh, whoa.
Girl, do you love me now? Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love?
Look at that!
Girl,
Cooking.
would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? Would you still have love for me?
I'm also gonna add some flyby Jing. Focusing. And then mix, mix, mix. Okay. So I have my seaweed. Cut up some of the leftover avocado from breakfast. And my pickles.
It's easy to love me now. Would you love me if I was down and out? Would you still have love for me? You know it drive me crazy. How could you doubt it, baby? Give me the word and I'm inside. You know I'm bad at bed. Love me if the lights out and the bills start coming. When I'm drugs,
my last bite.
Chills never summon. And I know you gotta question every move that I make. Seem to break my fucking ankles every step.
'Tis dinner time, and to continue with the theme of today, which is missing the ingredients that I need for the recipes that I'm trying to make, I will be attempting to make the green goddess salad. And for that one, I think I have all the ingredients, but the second dish, which is the miso mushroom spaghetti, I am now realizing I forgot to get spaghetti noodles. We don't have miso, but my mom showed me this, but it's like a, it's a soup mix. So it's like this hard rectangular like packet, and it should like dissolve in water. So I'm not sure this is really gonna work, but worst case, I will dilute Korean soybean paste, which is called doenjang, but it's a lot more potent than miso, so miso, so.
Oil is what I think it calls for, but
I'm realizing I do not have spinach either, but I do have arugula, so maybe I will substitute spinach for arugula. I'm not sure how much to put. I am back out here in my yard because I need more green onions. It's this one right here. I cut them.
like the body. So like here,
Oi.
like half of this
Oh my god.
cabbage.
Woo.
Little baby.
Oh my god. It tastes so good. Oh my gosh. It's my green goddess salad. Ow! Oh my! I'm okay.
Am I in this? I'm done.
Oh, they're so fat. Mushroom. What is it called? Miso mushroom pasta. Nope.
It's the only one.
Huh? It's so good. Okay, so I was gonna eat this as a snack earlier in the day, but I was like too lazy, too tired, so I took out the yogurt bark. And I'm also not going to dip it in chocolate because I'm checked out for the day. It's good. It's cold. It's cold, and I think I put too much honey in it.
Why would you put honey in it?
The recipe said to put honey in it. All I taste is honey.
Can I throw this away?
No! Alrighty, and to close this video, I am bringing back the cheesecake cones. I wasn't trying to leave you guys on a cliffhanger, but I got some complaints from friends. So here it is. It's like hardened whipped cream. Like it's clearly cheesecake, but that's kind of the texture of it. And this is like a creme brulee, nutty, thick, just caramelized, sugary cone. And so good.